Fussy cuts and PNG clip art are always a good business. Today we're making pastel minimalist art. Case 14. Advantages of using RAW mode. Level easy. Rule applied. RAW mode. I invite you to visit my link in the description and my prompt-based store. Let's get started with the formula. Important tips. Style RAW means literal. Without it, images look polished and artistic but may ignore details. With Style RAW, results are more direct and faithful to your prompt, perfect for fussy cuts, patterns, and mock-ups. Let's see the formula. Replace the variable subject enclosed in brackets with the noun you desire, for example, cow, and you're all set. The results are cute, pastel, and adorable. This prompt is available on my prompt base, Patreon, and my .prompt store. You can use it to create more arts like these ones. I invite you to check the links in the description and explore my unlimited pro plan on Patreon, where you'll find super original clip art, junk journals, seamless patterns, and much more. Don't forget to like this video and share it with your family and friends, and please subscribe. Bye! Until the next video.